To the vlog, dear.
Oh, hi vlog.
Oh my gosh. Say happy Vlogmas day 20.
What's up, peeps?
Oh my gosh. You ain't gonna say it?
What'd you say to say?
Happy Vlogmas day 20.
Happy Vlogmas day 20.
Thank you. Let me cut that down. Boy, Sirius XM will have you in your car lit, okay? Hello, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20, honey. Yeah. So, I'm so extra. Y'all, could y'all imagine what YouTube and, like, videos would be like if we didn't have to worry about copyright? Like, I feel like videos would be even more lit, okay? Because we'd be able to really show y'all, and y'all be able to really hear, like, what people really be doing and stuff. Anywho, moving on. I'm about to go get my sister and my nephew. We're gonna run some errands. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Maybe going out tonight, not sure. I do have my staying in is the new going out shirt on. But we'll see what we may get into today. But yes, you guys, somebody should hit up YouTube and like be like, let's get rid of this copyright because this is ridiculous. Anywho, so stay tuned, you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, so we are in the car. I'm in the back seat with my nephew here. My sister just went in Dollar General so she could get some things. Say hi, nephew. Say hi, nephew. He looking like, what's really going on? Don't smile for him. All right, y'all, I'll probably come back. I need to cut the radio down because the copyright, we already talked about this. Look at him. He trying to get back on the camera. Look at you. You trying to be photogenic? Photogenic. Yes, nephew. Yes, 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 nephew. All right, y'all. We'll be back. I can't stand when kids have stuff and then they throw it away and then they look at you like you're supposed to get it. Like, nephew, why you keep throwing that toy over there? If you don't want to, just say that, but don't be throwing it. Let me see if I can show you. Look at him. Reaching for the phone. You see yourself? You see yourself? You see yourself? Say hi. Say hi. He love to say bye, y'all. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 He looking at this mirror, y'all, and is watching people walking by. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye, see you later. Now look, you gonna drop the toy and then we ain't gonna be able to get it. Bye-bye. 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 He love playing with my little Pandora bracelet. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You ain't gonna say it no more? You like looking at yourself? You like looking at yourself? Huh? Huh? Alright, y'all. I think I need to clean my camera off because look at him trying to look. He's so nosy. Look at him. He's so nosy. You want all the attention on you? You want all the attention on you? Huh? Huh? Was that funny? Was that funny?
Every single item on my list is gold.
Oh, Lord.
So it ain't meant to be my list.
He was saying bye-bye.
He said when I got out the car? Or just in general?
No, in general, he was saying bye-bye. And then I go to do this, and he want to turn all the way around.
Where the camera going? He knows, and he thinks the phone is for him.
Okay, now what you spitting up, sir? You got some light? Ooh.
Okay, I'm finna go to Wendy's in the gas station.
Man, you done knocked the phone out of my hand, sir. Look at him. We'll be back. We're at Louies.
How y'all doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. My name's Christy. I'll be taking care of y'all. What can I get y'all started off with a drink?
Sweet tea
Sweet tea?
and water.
And I got a coconut water.
Coconut water? Any chips and queso or fried green beans to get started today?
Just start me off with a meat lovers pizza.
A meat lover's pizza? Alright. Alright, let's start up, guys.
Thank you. Ooh, look at him. Ain't he cute? Say hello to the vlog, dear.
Hi, vlog.
Oh my gosh. Say happy Vlogmas Day 20.
What's up, peeps?
Oh my gosh. You ain't gonna say it?
What'd you say to say?
Happy Vlogmas Day 20.
Happy Vlogmas Day 20.
Thank you. Y'all, we are at Louies. About to get some food. We haven't been here in a minute. I have my sweet tea and my water. I'll come back when the food come out. Now, if y'all are some true and loyal subscribers, then y'all would have seen that pizza that we had when we was in Tulsa, and we was like, that ain't as good as the Louis pizza. Well, this is the infamous Meat Lovers Louis pizza that I was talking about. You see how much cheese he put on there? He ain't stopped yet. Alright, y'all, I really can't vlog in here because of copyright, but I got garlic parmesan and spicy buffalo wings. We got spicy buffalo wings and fries. So yeah, y'all, this is what we are eating in Louies.
What?
Turn around.
What?
Turn around.
No.
Turn around. Let me see. Let me see.
You see what?
Turn around.
What we turning around for?
Turn around. Let me see.
Turn around and you see what?
Let me see. Turn around. He knew I was gonna try to record it, so he backing up like that. That's what he get for talking all that shit. He got a mask stuck to his ass. See there? That's what he get. Hey y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and end this vlog, but I'm gonna continue vlogging through the night, and that'll just go up for the next day's vlog because I'm probably not gonna be doing nothing tomorrow. So it's not gonna be nothing to vlog tomorrow because I need to blow my nose. Because tomorrow's Sunday. So baby gonna end out the vlog.
And say what? Alright, peeps.
Say please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next vlog.
Like, comment, subscribe. We can see y'all next time. Bye.
Bye, y'all.